Hello friends, I'm Dr. Jayashree Pathak. I am Senior Consultant Fertility and IVF. So today I'm going to just tell you how to prepare for an ovum pickup without wasting any time. You already are prepared for IVF procedure and you've got the 10-day stimulation injections. So the first step of the ovum pickup starts with the trigger injection. So either on day 10 or 11 or 12 when your follicles are ready, doctor will give you a particular time of the trigger injection. There are two types of trigger injection, either HCG or agonist trigger, and that has to be taken at a particular time which is already set according to your OPU posted. The trigger time will be decided, which is usually 34 to 36 hours before the ovum pickup. So suppose if you're going to get the trigger tonight, say around 11 p.m., you are posted for an ovum pickup day after at around 10 or 11 a.m. So that is how you have to prepare. The next day usually is a break period where you are not going to get any injections, but from the next day night after 12 a.m., after midnight, you are supposed to be nil orally before the procedure, which is already posted for the day after. So minimum 6 to 7 hours of fasting is required. During that time you're not supposed to take any food and water. If any pre-meds are already decided by the PAC team, like pantoprazole, you have to take it as advised. If you're a hypothyroid patient and you take Tharonorm, please take it with a sip of water. And really very important is that you have to reach the center at least 2 to 3 hours before the egg pickup procedure, and the time is really important, along with all the documents which you have during this whole time, also with the husband, because husband is supposed to give the semen for the ICSI procedure. So that is how you have to carry all the reports. So you should pack your bag, don't miss out any report, and reach the center on time. And then once you reach the center, the hospital staff prepare you up for the case, and then you are in a much safer zone, because egg pickup timing is very important. That is why doctors and the centers are really uh, very particular about the trigger and the timing of the OPU, because the whole result which is going to come for the IVF is actually dependent on egg pickup. So please listen to the timings as told by the doctor and the IVF unit, and then you are all set for the IVF pickup. And no need to worry, it's a very simple procedure. And after 2 hours post surgery, you will be all set to go back to your home. Thank you so much.